Go to Select All. Choose Mark Selection tool. Right-click and choose Free Transform. Go to View and choose Rulers. Drag your image center like this. Go to Edit Transform, choose Flip Horizontal. Choose Mark Selection tool. Add Layer Mask. Ctrl-J. Go to Edit Transform, choose Flip Horizontal. Hide layer. Now go to Adjustment Layer and choose Solid Color. Go to Window and choose Character. Go to Type Text. Ctrl-T. Drag hide in layer of the text layer. Unhide layer. Hold Alt-click Clipping Mask. Go to Adjustment Layer, choose Levels. That's it, hope you like it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials. Support my channel, link in description. Also check out other tutorial in my channel. Thank you for your support.